Hello, my wonderful people. So, I'm here to give you a simple illustration today, this evening. So, it's all about portion control. I've been saying a lot about how to control your portion, especially of carbohydrates, if you are serious about controlling your blood sugar. But in most of my videos, I always use measuring cups to illustrate to show you what to do. But today, I want to teach you a simple hack that that can be helpful for you anywhere, even at parties. If you are not at home, if you are not somewhere that you can have access to a measuring cup, this is really going to help a lot. So it's called the hand method. So it's basically you using your hand to measure the right amount of swallow you can eat without spiking your blood sugar, the amount of food like grains, like rice, then the amount of oil you can add to your meals, as well as the amount of protein. So I will start with grains like rice. So if you want to eat rice without spiking your blood sugar and you don't have access to a scale or a cup, this is what you should do. Try and look at the portion. Use your hands to gauge the portion. So a cupped hand portion is what you should go for if you want to eat foods like rice. A cupped hand. So when it comes to foods like swallow, tight fist portion is always okay for you without spiking your blood sugar. Remember, for grains like rice, make use of a cupped hand. When it comes to swallow, make use of a tight fist. When it comes to oil, 1 tablespoon per meal is usually enough for you. And that 1 tablespoon translates to a thumb measurement. Then when it comes to protein, protein portion that is enough for you, your your palm size without the finger. So your palm from this place downward, from this place downward, the whole palm area without this fingers section is usually enough for you. So when you start following this hand portion size, it can be helpful for you to help you control your blood sugar naturally without resorting to scales. Although scale is still the best, but in cases where you don't have access to it, you can just use this for emergency and it also works. So have you used any of this method before? Let me know in the comments. And are you going to start practicing it? Let me know. Don't forget to share this video, like it, so that it gets shown to a lot more Nigerians that need to see it. And I will see you in my next one.